Hello everyone, my name is Vinish and I'm from the first year ADS. My startup company is Innovation Tech and the product name is Urban Recharge and the product proposed name is AI Bike. Mention some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. The empathy of an AI bike lies in the ability to intuitively understand and adapt to the rider's needs, enhancing safety, comfort, and overall riding experience. The development of AI systems as a companion robots or virtual agents that can detect emotions and respond to them. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name AI Bike, futuristic product name Urban Recharge. And some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. These AI enable hands-free navigation, media control, and physical bike adjustments such as seat height. These AI enhance safety and comfort for riders. Inside, e-bike manufacturers often hold to rapid results schedules with several quarterly or seasonal release each year. Enhanced integration with smartphones for seamless communication, allowing riders to receive notification calls and access other apps without compromising safety. AI-driven personal assistant features for more interactive and user-friendly biking experience. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Thank you.